Hey guys, the Simple Student here, and welcome to episode 21 of Java Programming for Beginners. Today we're going to look at something called arrays, and these are a really useful concept. So what is an array? Basically, it's a variable that can store many values in it. So any of the variables we've done up till now only really store one value, but arrays can store many values. But these values must be of the same data type. So let's go on ahead and start. So the first thing we do when we're declaring an array is saying what type it is. So we're just going to make an integer array. Then we say the name of the array. I'm just going to call this array1. The next thing we do, just to tell the compiler that we're making an array, is these square brackets. Okay? And inside these square brackets, we don't put anything. Equals new int and more square brackets. But this time, inside these square brackets, we have to put the size of the array. So we're just going to make it 5. And semicolon. Okay, so that's declared our array variable. Now to fill up this variable with data, this is how we do that. We say array1 square brackets equals whatever the number is. Now inside the square brackets we have to put the index. Now what is the index? Basically it's the number of the array. So this array has 5 elements, so that means it will range from 0 to 4. Okay? So 0 is the first element in the array, so we can say array 0 equals 2, and we can say array 1 equals 6, or whatever we want. I'm just going to copy this just to make it easier. Paste, and paste again. We have 5 elements, and as I said, that means it runs from 0 through to 4. Okay, I'm just going to give these different values, and okay, so now how do we print out these elements? So we're just going to make a system.out.println, and we just put inside this array and whatever index we want to print. So if we want to print index 3, then we do it like that. Sorry, it's called array1. Okay, and run. So the third index should print out 20. Yeah, so that's printing out 20. Okay, so there is another way we can initialize an array in Java. So we can do it like this. Int array2, we'll just call this one. Square brackets again. Equals, now we're going to put curly brackets. And we're just going to put our values here, so we can say, we'll just do the same again. So 2, 6, 4, 20, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4. Okay, and they're separated with commas and curly brackets again. Okay. Now did you notice this time we didn't have to put the size of the array. It will automatically know by the amount of values we put in here. Okay, and again we can print out system. I'll just copy and paste this. Yeah, 20 and 20. So that's the exact same thing again. And I would prefer this way of initializing the array. If you know the values already, it's just a lot more compact and easier to understand. Thanks for watching, guys. Next time we're going to learn how to print out these array values in a table. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. This has been The Simple Student, and I'll see you next time.